Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. I am doing a little bit of easy meal prep, just a few things, and I thought that I would take you along and we can chat and just catch up. I am making a salad with no lettuce because I don't have any. I haven't checked the garden yet, so I may have some. But this is a store-bought tomato, which was really, really good. And I'm just going to be cutting this up. I'm going to put it in a bowl. And I have a purple onion that's going to look really pretty. And about 1/4 of a cucumber. I have some homemade Italian dressing that I'll top it with. I checked the garden today. I have a cherry tomato. I didn't look too much further out there, but I'm sure there's more. I have a lot of yellow squash and zucchini, and yeah, the green bean seeds the new seeds that I bought, they're coming up really well. So that is always a plus. Yes, I just noticed that I should have used up that cucumber a little sooner. I'm just so behind on everything, so it's okay. I'm going to add this purple onion, and this is going to be fine. I have some beautiful basil, fresh basil and parsley that I can add, and I am on a no-salt diet, so it's not going to be any salt. I hate food waste, and I hate that happened with the cucumber, but it is what it is. Not a whole lot you can do, you know. Try to do the best you can. I just don't like food waste. But sometimes it can't be avoided. It wasn't done intentionally. And I'm really glad that I did that project yesterday. I dehydrated the celery. Look at this. The color is amazing. It's a celery green. Like blanching it really does make a difference in the color and the texture. So I'm going to leave this on my counter for now and make sure that there's no, it doesn't stick or clump, because if it does, then it's not good. And you don't want to put it on your shelf unless it's completely conditioned and dried. So I have about 4 ounces here, and that was from about a half of bunch of celery. So I am guessing if I did a whole bunch, I would get a half pint jar, and that's fine. Usually I like to slice it, flash freeze it, and then freeze it in a bag, and then I could just take it out and use it as I want. But I didn't have that drive to do it. I just didn't want to do it this time. I guess I needed to take a break and do things that are a little easier for me, so that was what I did. The second salad I'm making for my easy summer salads is a Middle Eastern staple, actually. It is basically just northern beans and some finely diced purple onion. We're going to talk about all this in a little bit. First, I want to show you how I'm doing it, and then we'll chat. So I want to just dice this finely. One thing about Middle Eastern, everything has to be cut so fine and so tiny, and it has to look so pretty. So I'm going to add my purple onion to this bowl. Yeah, it's breezy. Nice breeze coming through this window. Okay. And the colors of it are actually amazing. And these salads, you're going to know that they're in the thumbnail. So I went outside and I picked some fresh parsley. You could use dry parsley if if you don't have access to fresh. These stems are going to go into my veggie scrap bag to make veggie broth. And I think that's a great idea. If you have the veggies, like the scraps of them, and you do make your own broth, you don't have to can it, just make your own broth. You could freeze it, you could, make it as you go. But you're getting the nutrients from all those vegetables. So I'm going to add the parsley. This is these are all very basic salads, just very easy. There are so many salad ideas out there. I just wanted to take my 3 favorites besides a regular tossed salad. Look at that breeze. Oh my goodness. So for this, it's wine vinegar, not balsamic. So you're going to just put a little bit of wine vinegar in here. And I'm using a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. You can add salt and pepper to it, which I will add the pepper, and anyone who wants salt can add it to theirs because I'm not. So we call this Piaz, and that is salad number 2. Okay, so the third salad we're going to make today is just green bean salad. Very simple. You can add other beans to it if you want. This is how we do it, and this is how we enjoy it. I am using my northern beans are home canned, as are my green beans. So I'm just going to take a little bit of a white onion that I partially peeled. So many variations of salads. If you don't have access to lettuce, or sometimes you're just not in the mood for it, you just want something a little different, go through your cupboards, see what you have in there. My goodness, my father one time made an olive salad out of green Italian olives, Kalamata olives, I think, and something else. We were having a big barbecue, and he made those, and they were amazing. Everyone's like, oh, they wanted that. How'd you make that? And so that was just a real basic olive salad. So you can do that. You could do green olives, black olives, any kind of olives that you like, that you have, just throw them in, Onion adds a nice punch to salads. Now, you could have these with a side of like a piece of grilled chicken or fish, You could have them plain with some nice bread. You don't want to eat too heavy in the summer. A lot of heavy meats and stuff like that. But yes, I'm using wine vinegar again for the green bean salad. And I need a spoon. I'm just going to get her spoon. And I'm just going to toss this up. This is nice with a little bit of oregano. And so, like I said, salt and pepper. Very, very basic. You can, these things, they're good. The longer they sit, the better they are. So I have my 3 salads for today. For my summer salad video. Okay, so today I went over 3 easy summer salads that you can put together in minutes with some basic ingredients that you have in your pantry already. There is no need to be running out to the store because you want salad and you don't have tomato, cucumber, lettuce, whatever. Go through your vegetables, go through your produce, go through your condiments, see what you have, and anyone can put these together It takes less than 5 minutes. And I just wanted to share this with you, give you some ideas. They're good with the hamburger on the side or a hot dog. They're good with grilled chicken or fish or a steak or a burger. Did I say that already? Yeah. Ribs. Anything that you're cooking on the grill. These salads are very versatile and they go with everything. You're going to get a lot of different bold flavors and textures and tastes just from these salads. So don't fret if you don't have what you need to make the salad that you want. Go through and get creative. Go look, see what you got, and put it together. I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to remember, if I remember, to put the recipes in the description below so that you guys can duplicate these if you want. And if there are any variations, I will add it. You know, things that you could omit or add instead. But enjoy it. It's summer and salads are great in the summer. Pair it up with some good crusty bread, Italian bread, pita bread, whatever. You got yourself a nice meal. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed making the salads. I think I'm going to have probably the green bean salad tonight on the side, whatever I have for dinner. But that's definitely going to be, I've been wanting that for a while. So yeah, I think I'm going to have my green beans. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, for all your support and watching this video. Leave a comment below if you've ever tried any of these salads. Or what is your favorite salad? Non-traditional. I'd love to know. I need to get ideas myself. Okay, so don't be afraid to leave a comment. Let me know your favorite salad. I'm looking for something different besides macaroni salad, potato salad, taco salad. I'm done. Give me some fresh ideas. Let's get going. Let's get the summer salads sizzling. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on my next one.